side, but I can't get her off my mind, leaving her behind for someone else. Well, I'm driving to the south side to catch the sunset swell at the end of the day, and I keep thinking about the girl that I met along the way. Well, I'll see her in Paya, on the beach at Ho'okipa, underneath the pale moonlight, to hold her so tight, on the beach at Ho'okipa. Well, the music's playing loud and the traffic starts to crowd up on the highway. Rock it up off the road, so I make a little turn and I head on down to town towards Front Street. There she was, a little angel, the girl that I met a couple of hours ago. She said she's from Ho'okipa, said she'd meet me there when the tide is low. I guess I'll see her in Paya, on the beach at Ho'okipa, underneath the pale moonlight, to hold her so tight, on the beach at Ho'okipa. It is dark as it is deep. Night after night the clouds roll in and gather on my sleeve.
My world is like an emptiness of loneliness to me,
filled only by the floating moments
of a broken memory,
sweet memory, sweet memory. Oh, hea wale oi, ka wahine uie. On this island I found the way to see the beauty in passing day. Flowers that impel my love, moments I'm only hear of, loving under a waterfall, hearing the owl's midnight call, whispers from the ocean shell, whispers only you and I can tell. And you, bring these moments to my mind. And you, are an island, one of a kind, one of a kind. In this land I found the ways to see the beauty of passing days. Rainbows, jewels of a misty crown, craters covered with a silken gown, stars that always shone so bright, scattered throughout the lovely night, where true love befell my soul, true love that came upon a grassy knoll. And you, bring these moments to my mind. And you, are an island, one of a kind, one of a kind. Hey brother, ready? Ready? We gon' jam. We go. Rah! Here we go. The people living island have a saying you should know. You hear it by day, you hear it by night, and this is what they have to say. Ooka-gook, ooka-gook, ooka-gook. The phrase describes a feeling like surfing on a 10-foot crest. Slide to the right, slide to the left, come on top the limbo best. Ooka-gook, ooka-gook, ooka-gook. Iparamoke, could talk all their own. Like you stay go, and you go stay. That's alright if you don't know what kind talk this. I know it's a miss, but ooga-goo, you got it Hawaiian style. Hey! By day, you hear it by night, and this is what they have to say. Everybody, ooga-gook, 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 you got it. The phrase describes a feeling like surfing on a 10-foot crest. Here we go. Slide to the right, slide to the left, come on top the limbo best. Hey! Ooga-gook, ooga-gook. When the road I walk seems all uphill, and the colors in my rainbow turn blue, you kiss the tears away, you smile at me and say, funny face, I love you. Funny face, I love you. Funny face, I need you. These are the sweetest words I've ever heard. Funny face, don't leave me. Funny face, believe me. My whole world's wrapped up in you. As I sometimes do, and I say those mean things that we know are not true, you forgive my childish ways. You hold me close and say, funny face, I love you.